Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how we are going to chat in our chat box. Anytime I may ask you to respond to a question, or I will drop a Nearpod link where we will be doing some other activities and you'll be learning about more tomorrow. But today I just want to show you like the layout of your Google Meet. So here is your beautiful face. Here you will see the people that are in our classroom. And this right here is where we are going to chat. So you click the chat button first. And let's say I were to ask you, how are you doing today? So you would type, I am doing fine. And then it would say you, so that will be the person that is typing, and then other people will start and you'll be able to read other people's comments. So that is what we're going to practice today, is how to chat in our chat box.